A very active weather weekend.
It's April weather. That's what this is. We should not be seeing this type of weather in June. This is highly unusual. Darby's Weather Wire last night talked about how this is the second most storm reports in June in the South in the last 25 years.
Wow.
So this is a complete anomaly, what we've been seeing.
And it's so widespread.
Oh yeah, it's across the deep South. It's, as you see, Oklahoma, it's everywhere. But thankfully we're putting that behind us. And now we're just cranking up the broiler. It's gonna be hot. So I hope you like cooking, everyone, because we'll be cooking here over the next couple of days. There's today's setup, and you notice a lot of those 90-degree heat index. That's the real feel, what it feels like to the exposed skin. The polar opposite of wind chill is the heat index, and you can see all those 90s for our area. Look at the heat index that's building across Texas. It's 110, 120 heat indices. That's insane. By tomorrow, that does kind of make its way toward our area. It moderates a little bit, but still, River Valley could see some heat indices around the century mark with that combination of heat with the humidity. Right now, mid to upper 80s across northwest Arkansas. Looks like Winslow's the warm spot at 90 degrees. River Valley, widespread 90s. 94 in Hackett, Pecola, they're one of the warmer spots. Boonville also checking in at 94. Tallahena and Sallisaw each at 91. Big picture shows lots of quiet conditions for our area. Storminess to our southwest across central Texas. And on the other side of this boundary, it is very, very chilly. In fact, mountain snow across Montana as well as northern Idaho. In some parts of Canada, western Canada, could see over a foot of snow in June. That's the wild weather that we're seeing right now. But for us, it'll be tranquil weather for the most part across our area. Now, we're going to have a very weak piece of energy sliding through the atmosphere late tonight into early tomorrow morning that could ring out a couple of very stray weak showers across areas south and west of Fort Smith. A very short time frame for these, let's say 7 to 8:30 a.m., then poof, they're gone. And we're just left with plenty of sunshine and hot temperatures for the rest of your Tuesday into Tuesday night, and then as well as we go through the day on Wednesday as well. Now, those precipitation chances for tomorrow morning in and around the River Valley, very, very low. Most people won't see anything, but plan for a couple of raindrops tomorrow morning in and around Fort Smith. We have our first tropical storm, or second tropical storm of the season. This is Brett. Looks pretty healthy here. Lots of circulation here. Winds 40 miles an hour as it barrels its way toward the Windward and Leeward Islands. Could become a hurricane in the next couple of days. Our first hurricane of the season. Now, for our area tonight, 60s and 70s. Another scorcher tomorrow, back up into the 90s for everybody. And with the combination heat and humidity, heat index values by tomorrow afternoon around the I-40 corridor could flirt with 100 degrees. But we don't have to worry about severe weather for the most part. We've really traded the severe weather for the hot weather. First day of summer is Wednesday, first day of astronomical summer, I should say. That kicks in Wednesday morning around 9:30 a.m. Couple of showers Saturday night and into Sunday. River Valley, pretty much the same thing. Maybe those sprinkles tomorrow morning. Then the rest of the week until we get to the weekend looks pretty dry. Friday, we forecasted a high of 91 on Saturday for Knoxville, right on the money. That Brandon Evans loves when we are right on the money. Linda Wright is going to get the Darby Bobby umbrella. She is in Pecola. We'll send that to you shortly. And then Allison will take you, that should not say Knoxville. That should say Maysville, where we're going to forecast 92 for Maysville for tomorrow in Benton County.